Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss Program Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom Diabetes and weight loss costs around per month, and most people assume it's just a calorie tracker. The surprising truth is that Noom combines behavior change psychology, meal logging, and personalized coaching to address both weight and blood sugar management. The app tracks meals, activity, and progress, while providing daily lessons on habits, nutrition, and mindfulness. Personalized coaching helps you set realistic goals, stay accountable, and adjust strategies as needed. With tailored insights, it can help reduce risk factors for type 2 diabetes while promoting sustainable weight loss. For your money, you get a science-based program that goes beyond counting calories. It teaches skills and habits for lifelong health improvements. In summary, Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss offers education, coaching, and tracking in one platform, providing real value for anyone looking to improve weight and manage blood sugar intelligently.